How often do I need to wash my hair? I didn't know at the time, which was about 4 years ago, when do I need to wash my hair? How long is too long? Like, what are the rules? Now, the frequency of washing your hair really depends on different factors. So I'm going to quickly tell you the different factors that you should take into consideration. The long story short answer, wash it as you need to wash it. I know that sounds silly. When I first started taking care of my hair, I would see girls flex their 5, 6, 7 day hair. I didn't know. I saw my hair follicles not grow anymore, and it's because you need to cleanse your scalp. So here are a few factors that you need to take into consideration. Number 1 is oily hair. If you have naturally oily hair, you may need to wash it more often. Maybe every other day is going to be your thing. And as you continue coming on this healthy hair journey, your hair will be less and less oily. Number 2, if you have dry hair, you might not need to wash as much, and you might need more hydrating products. You might need something that focuses specifically on your scalp, or more conditioning agents. Same thing with color treated or chemically treated hair. 2 to 3 days, you want to make sure that you preserve your hair color. We are going to be washing a little bit less, as well as exercise routine. So if you are exercising regularly and you're super sweaty like me, then you do need to wash your hair, but also get a really good dry shampoo. A lot of the dry shampoos out there have disgusting things, including butane, aka lighter fluid. Please don't do that. So make sure that you pick a good one. And seasonal changes. So at the time of this recording, it's freezing, so I don't need to wash my hair as often, but I'm also, because it's so much drier, I'm also doing less heat. I just want to make sure that I don't strip my hair all out of all my natural oils, making sure that it's drier than it needs to be. That way I don't have that potential damage. So underwashing is definitely something that can result to buildup. It can result to unhealthy scalp, which causes less hair growth. Unhealthy scalp equals no hair growth.